Picture a calm ocean until a massive whale breaches, sending ripples everywhere. That's what just happened in the crypto world. A single player moved 145 billion Shiba Inu (SHIB) tokens, instantly grabbing the attention of investors. This isn't just a big number, it's a signal. When a whale, someone holding huge amounts of a coin, acts, the market pays attention. The destination? Robinhood, a major trading platform for retail investors. Why does this matter? Because such moves can shift market sentiment and hint at future trends. Every transaction is public on the blockchain, so analysts can trace these moves and speculate on motives. Is this whale preparing to sell, or just reorganizing assets? The clues are there for those who look. This event is a perfect case study in how large holders and exchanges interact, and how the community responds. Shiba Inu, once a meme, now faces the tension between individual power and collective action. As we break down this transfer, we'll see how these forces shape not just SHIB, but the entire crypto landscape. Let's dive into the details and see what this whale's move really means. To understand this transfer, we need to look at on-chain data, the blockchain's public record. Every transaction is visible, like a digital receipt anyone can verify. When a whale moves funds, it's not rumor, it's fact, etched into the blockchain. In this case, a dormant wallet sent 145 billion SHIB to Robinhood, worth millions. Such precision and size suggest a deliberate, strategic action. On-chain analysis lets us see if this wallet is a frequent seller or a long-term holder. This transparency is unique to crypto, letting everyone react to the same facts. Is the whale providing liquidity for trading, or preparing to sell to Robinhood's retail base? Both are possible, and on-chain data is our first clue. Exchanges need liquidity to function smoothly, and whales can provide it. But a big deposit can also signal an impending sell-off. The community watches these moves closely, interpreting motives and preparing for what comes next. On-chain data doesn't reveal identity, but it shows intent through action. This is the foundation of crypto analysis. Reading the blockchain, not just the headlines. The story is in the numbers, and how we interpret them. Let's see what this transfer could mean for SHIB's future. What makes this transfer stand out is its destination, Robinhood, a platform with millions of retail investors. Moving 145 billion SHIB here is like parking a fleet of supercars at a family dealership. It's impossible to ignore. While the amount is huge, it's a fraction of SHIB's total supply, so it won't destabilize the project. Still, it puts a significant chunk of tokens in front of a massive audience. Optimists see this as the whale providing liquidity, supporting a maturing market. Others worry it's a setup for a gradual sell-off which could pressure prices. Either way, moving tokens to an exchange is the first step before selling. The community is right to watch Robinhood's order books for big sell orders. This move also shows how meme coins like SHIB are gaining legitimacy on mainstream platforms. Just a few years ago, SHIB on Robinhood was unthinkable. Now, it's a reality. The whale's choice of Robinhood highlights the platform's growing role in crypto. It's a sign of how far SHIB and the market have come. Liquidity is the lifeblood of any market. Think of it as the depth of a swimming pool. The deeper it is, the bigger the splash you can make without hitting bottom. When the whale moved 145 billion SHIB to Robinhood, they deepened the pool, making trading smoother for everyone. Major exchanges like Robinhood need a steady supply of tokens to keep trading stable and prices fair. Whales and exchanges have a symbiotic relationship. Whales provide liquidity. Exchanges offer access to millions of traders. This move could make SHIB trading more attractive and less volatile for both big and small investors. But it's a delicate balance. Too much influence from one whale can still sway the market. For SHIB, being on Robinhood is a milestone of mainstream acceptance. More liquidity means easier trading and less price slippage for everyday investors. While whale moves can spark fear, they often create a healthier market environment. The immediate effect? A deeper liquidity pool on one of the world's top trading apps. This whale transfer isn't happening in a vacuum. Shiba Inu is evolving fast. The project now focuses on token burns, permanently removing SHIB from circulation to reduce supply and potentially boost value. Every transaction on Shibarium, SHIB's Layer 2 solution, contributes to these burns, creating deflationary pressure over time. Shibarium also speeds up transactions and lowers fees, making SHIB more useful beyond just trading. These upgrades add real utility and economic design to what started as a meme coin. The whale's move could be a bet on this growth, providing liquidity ahead of rising demand. If Shibarium succeeds and burns ramp up, SHIB's appeal could soar. The whale might be positioning for the next wave, not just cashing out. Their action could signal confidence in SHIB's future, not just a quick profit. Every big crypto move brings both opportunity and risk. More liquidity on Robinhood could attract new investors and broaden SHIB's holder base. Wider distribution is healthy for decentralization and market stability, but the risk of a massive sell-off is real. If the whale dumps, prices could tumble. Token concentration means a few wallets can sway the market, leaving retail investors exposed. Market sentiment is fragile. Fear or hype can spread fast after a whale move. That's why fact-based data analysis and nowadays is crucial. Separate on-chain data from speculation. The whale's intention is unknown, but their action is a fact. Investors should weigh both the positives and the risks, and never invest more than they can afford to lose. This SHIB transfer is a classic example of crypto's high-stakes, high-reward game. The 145 billion SHIB transfer to Robinhood is more than a transaction. It's a window into crypto's inner workings. It highlights liquidity, strategy, and the evolution of digital assets like SHIB. Whether the whale is selling or supporting the market, their move will ripple through the ecosystem. Blockchain transparency lets everyone watch these events unfold in real time. Understanding the context, like Shibarium and token burns, helps decode the whale's motives. Crypto isn't just about price, it's about technology and community. Staying informed and vigilant is key as the story unfolds in Robinhood's order books and on-chain data. The next chapter depends on how the market reacts. Will demand absorb the supply, or will prices fall? To keep up, follow trusted sources, and always look beyond the headlines.